Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Miro and Milanote. So let's go over the pros and cons of each, starting with Miro. So the pros of Miro is that it is great for real-time collaboration and team brainstorming. It has also a wide range of templates. As you can see here, it has a lot of different templates for planning, UX product design, and agile workflows. It also integrates well with tools like Slack, Jira, and Notion. And lastly, it has infinite canvas ideals for complex mind maps and flowcharts. So we get to the cons, and the cons of Miro is that it can feel overwhelming for solo users or small creative tasks. So if you're a solo user, you might feel overwhelmed by the things that you have to do. And also, it is paid. The free version has limited boards and features, so it is locked behind the paywall. Some features are locked behind payments. And lastly, it requires a learning curve for non-technical users. So if you're not really into using these types of apps, you might have a hard time using these and you can't understand it easily. So let's head on over to Milanote. And the pros of Milanote are that it is visually appealing. It has a drag and drop feature, which is easier to use. It is intuitive and simple for solo users, unlike Miro or small teams. So it is ideal for also for mood boards, storyboarding, and note organizations. It is great also for non-linear thinking and content planning. However, we also get to the cons of Milanote. It also has limited real-time collaboration for users. It is less suitable for technical workflows or large teams. And then some features are also locked behind a paywall. So both of these require payment to access premium features. So in conclusion, you should use Miro if you're working in a team, especially with structured workflows like UX, product management, or agile work management. And you should use Milanote if you're a creative individual or part of a small team focused on visual planning, content creation, or brainstorming. And that is it. That is the comparison between Milanote and Miro. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.